Okay, welcome back to MMS Interviews. Today we have Savannah and Ava, and we're going to teach you how to muzzle this big dog and this smaller dog.
For the smaller dog, you're gonna want to catch the dog first. Then you're gonna want to put it in between your arms. Take the muzzle under your hand, put it like that, and buckle it under behind his head,
and tighten it as needed.
You're going to want to go under and pull it over.
And if the muzzle is too small, you might have to loosen it as needed.
And that's how you muzzle a dog. Welcome back to MMS Interviews. Today we have Savannah and Ava, and we're going to be giving CPR to Casper the dog.
So first you want to make sure you have gloves on, and then take the foam block out of Casper. And then we have this plastic bag that we are going to fold 4 times vertically. 2, 3, and 4.
Then you're going to take which one is the open end? Okay, and then you're going to take the closed end and stick it and pinch the dog's nose and push it through.
As far as you can before we have to use a pencil.
And then you get a pencil, if needed, and push it down the dog's nose.
And then
make sure you feel for the other side up its esophagus.
To grab, and then pull it through, but not all the way. And then you want to cover.
And then on this side, we want to make sure that our bag is spread out all the way.
You're going to pinch the nose and put your mouth to the dog's nose and start breathing.
As the person is breathing, you should feel the dog's stomach going up and down,
After
recreating a breath.
And that's all. Thank you for joining us. Welcome back to MMS Interviews. Today we have Savannah and Ava, and we all have graduated from vet medicine, so we're going to show you how to draw blood from a dog.
The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to put our gloves on. Our next step is to take our alcohol wipe and wipe down the entire surface of the dog.
Next, we have to feel for the vein in the leg. So here's the vein right here.
Then you're going to take your syringe, take the cap off, and you're going to feel for the vein one more time. You're going to carefully stick your patient.
We're going to feel for the vein one more time, carefully stick our patient, and draw the blood.
And once you get the blood out, you have to take the gauze pad and wipe it down. And that's how you draw blood from a dog.
Come back again for the next episode.